Anand here. I'm standing in the midst of Kunnu tea plantation. We came here for the trip. We're going to cover Kunnu, we're going to cover Wellington and also the Avalanche Lake.
Wellington வந்து சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
There are a few restaurants like Hotel Ramachandra, Kana Kazana, and there's a great hot chocolate place called Moddy's restaurant. Wonderful. And we also had pastries from Crown Bakery, which is more than 120 years old, 140 years old restaurant. Wonderful place. Military. There's a garrison here. Wellington is so famous for military garrison. You see all fit militants here walking around, running around the lake. So wonderful, neat, clean. You should come here, spend some time. This will be awesome. In this trip, we will be covering Coor.